Good morning. One of my favourite ships. And we're parked the other way. It's like they knew I wanted to take photos. I love Arcadia so much. Especially now Ariana's gone. On turnaround day, and unfortunately probably your disembarkation day, always keep a lookout over the balcony or on deck. You may see an old friend or a ship sailing past. Beautiful Headliners Theatre. We didn't actually go to the theatre on this short break. I mean, we're both like super busy in work. So when we do have time off, we like early nights unless there's something we really, really fancy. So yeah, probably boring to most, but you know, it's our holiday, and that's the joy of cruise holidays. It's your holiday, you do it your way. I have seen all the shows generally that are on P&O just from cruising so much with them. And they are spectacular, and I'd happily go and see them again and again and again. You can book tickets now. You can book them actually beforehand on the Cruise Personalizer, or you can book them online on your My Holiday web-based app. And I do book. Don't think, oh, I won't need to book. We did see the full house sign up a few times, so do book. And I think in the theatre you're still expected to wear a mask, just because everyone is more in close proximity than the rest of the ship. But yeah, without a doubt, you must go to the theatre and watch the shows. They are just incredible. Here's the theatre on Britannia. It's beautiful. Classically elegant, I'd describe it as. Lots of seats. I think you still have to wear a mask if you come in here. It's a little nose through the top floor of the atrium, deck 7, looking at Java, all these lovely places you can sit with a coffee in the daytime or a cocktail in the evening. Perfect place to sit and right in the heart of the ship. Back at breakfast. We're in breakfast really early today because it's disembarkation day. I need tea. Just a quick little peep at the Clubhouse as well on the other end of the ship from the theatre. So the Clubhouse is on the aft, the theatre's in the bow and the front of the ship. You will find lots of live music, sometimes comedians, sometimes the headliners if there's a big act on in the theatre. Another brilliant place to sit and enjoy an evening. Sitting here after breakfast on disembarkation day, hearing an awful sound. I'm like, what's that sound? I think it's a recording of seagulls on the ocean terminal roof. And we're inducting to see the men working hard. Oh, I love the Pride luggage handler machine. You see Arcadia's docked over there now. There. Steve apparently. Yeah, our car's over there somewhere with CPS. And I'll try and show you disembarkation. It's going to be really quick to be honest, because we're going to do self-disembarkation. You can self-disembark until 8:30. So we are going to take our own suitcases off and self-disembark, and then collect the car from CPS, and then heading to my in-laws to see them. They're kind of halfway between us and home, London. Hopefully the traffic won't be too bad. It is Bank Holiday Monday. I think we'll hit the traffic leaving my in-laws rather than leaving here, because we're leaving here, we're going to be in the car at like 9:45, 9 o'clock. It's a bit early, I think, for Monday morning. Bank Holiday Monday, people returning home. I think when we leave my in-laws, we're going to hit the traffic on the M25. But that's fun. So lovely. Travelling on Bank Holiday Monday. Got water in the car in case it's hot. Actually, I might get some more. My in-laws. I've got water bottles with us that we've been using on this trip. So we took 2 water bottles with us on our excursion yesterday, which is good because I got a bit of an annoying cough after COVID, and water does seem to mellow it. I got my P&O Cruises branded with Lewis on it. What else was I going to say? I've forgotten. Must have been a lie. Got a bill this morning, so you get your bill in your little cubby hole on the last morning of the cruise. We haven't spent much at all. P&O very kindly gifted us Sindhu and multiple bottles of fizz. We're taking one home. Drank a lot of fizz in the last few days, which I'm very grateful for. Birthday fizz. Yeah, we're going to disembark. Sad. Head home. I'll be back in Southampton though in 8 days to embark Celebrity Beyond for her maiden voyage. Could have been here sooner, but I have to work. Damn full-time work. No, I lie. I love my full-time work. My full-time work enables me to cruise as much as I do, so I cannot say anything wrong about my work. I love it. Really lucky to like my job. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll show you Disembarkation. The statement was delivered to the cubbyhole outside your cabin on the last day, and you will have already registered a credit or debit card with P&O before you embarked on the cruise, so they will automatically take the payment from there. If you have any holds on your account, like a debit card, you do have to wait for them to delete, and unfortunately it's nothing really to do with P&O. I think it's more the banks. So yeah, that's the only beneficial really thing of using a credit card over a debit card. But until recently, I never had a credit card, so I had to do it on debit. So I feel your pain. Bless you. Self-help, disembarkation. Old school cruise card. Coming down the ramp now, it's a baggage train. Luckily we've got our bags with us. All the suitcases are arranged in deck order, so it should in theory be easy for you to find your suitcase on disembarkation. So much luggage. Easeway coaches, if you get the coach just outside the terminal building. And then we've just spotted Ida Prima coming in. And spotted her here, and I don't know. I thought she was going to go to the Queen Mother, Queen Elizabeth terminal place, but actually she was doing a pirouette in the middle of the Solent, and then she ended up reversing back up the Solent to dock near Arcadia, up in the city. We've just seen Ada Prima turning round. I think we last saw her in Lisbon. You can see Britannia there. I think she's going, "Oi, you took our parking space." Yeah, she's turning quite quickly. Another friend. Pirouetting in the Solent. I think we last saw her in Lisbon. I'm sure I've got a photo of her coming underneath the April the 25th bridge in Lisbon. Oh, pretty Prima. Just getting our keys back to our car. Then on the way out of Southampton, Dave kindly took me to the park so I could see Ida Prima and also Arcadia. Hi, I found Ada Prima. We saw she was reversing up the Solent, so I thought come and video and take some photographs. And then Arcadia is over there. I'm going to pop there and take a photo after. And Britannia, that we've just come off, is there. Now we've got Ada Prima and P&O Arcadia. And then if I go behind my car and Britannia. some parallel parking. Right, well, thank you so much for watching my very short Britannia vlog series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, well, leave a comment on the video that you have a question about, or message me on Instagram, and my email address is on Instagram as well. If you enjoyed these vlogs, I hope you consider subscribing. I cruise very regularly and try to vlog on each ship. I have a wide variety of ships I'm vlogging on this year, including Ponant, Silversea, Valiant Lady, Virgin Voyages, Hazamara, Seabourn, who else? Disney, P&O, and more that I haven't booked yet. So please consider subscribing, and I will take you along with me and show you all these ships.